Welcome guys to another vlog. After a beautiful Christmas break, I flew back New Year's Eve to Agadir, having left my van here to get some works done on the engine and gearbox.
Beautiful Christmas, but it's so lovely to be landed here in this weather. It's like 15-degree raise in temperature. Yeah man, going to be getting back to the van now. I'm going to pick up the van from the garage. It's been in the garage all week. Had various photos and videos sent to me as I've been away, so it's going to be a bit of a bill to clear with the garage there, but to be fair, it's perfect from what I've needed. I mean, they've given me a rough idea what it's going to cost. It's nothing in relation to what it'd be doing the same works back home. I mean, they've had the engine and the gearbox completely out. So yeah, let's see what it comes to, and the only thing is, the minute I decided to walk from the airport, I didn't want to get stung with a ridiculous price from the airport, so I'm walking at least a little bit away from the airport to walk to where I need to get to.
So the guys in the garage took the engine and gearbox out. Once I gave the go ahead, within a matter of hours the whole thing was dismantled. For some time I've been having trouble getting into second gear, and in addition had some issues with oil leaks. You can see here the teeth are very worn in these parts. All the worn parts were changed over, including as well this piece, which was actually broke. The guys that had dismantled my entire gearbox and engine worked out the back of this tiny workshop. It was just incredible.
So we've changed the oil filter here, we've changed the fuel filter here, we've changed all the liquids. This fuel pump has had a service. You can see it's totally clean and tidy. So that's been done. To be fair, I think the whole engine and gearbox has been totally redone as well. It's absolutely, change the cam belt. The main cam belt's been changed, I know that. They've even fixed the dial on the this thing was broke, so they fixed that as well. And now the reverse lights, I can't really show you, but the reverse lights have been wired.
This sensor was changed to allow an automatic connection to reverse gear.
Reverse lights have now been wired correctly, so they're automatic. Before I had a switch, which when I went into reverse, I had to manually switch the reverse lights on. That was something that was driving me mad because I'd forget sometimes. So that's been done properly now as well. I'm with Hussein. He's come again to help because I just had a problem. But this is the man for the job with regards to vans in the area in Agadir. شكرا بزاف خويا مش مشكل. شكرا بزاف. Okay, thanks. So guys, the van is back, all sorted, all fixed, and New Year's Eve was a chilled one on the beach. Nothing too mental. It was a bit of a late night, really, to be honest.
New Year's Day I was straight on getting my seats sorted. As I'd already bought the material last week, all that was required from this place was just the labour to get it all sorted. Here is my man, just adding the final finishing touches to the back of the seat, gluing it back.
This one, Lister. Not machine, German.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maestro.
Huh?
Maestro.
Lister.
Ah.
Lister.
No, you. Two.
Yeah,
Maestro.
Maestro.
Professor.
Artist.
Artist.
All in all, with the material included, this seat set me back about 40 quid to get it all upholstered and new. I actually remember this guy from the last time I was here 5 years ago, as I'd got him to do some seats for me before. I came down to Banana Beach to support my friend Aziz, now selling coffee here on the beach. Come down and say hello if you're in the area. Next up, I was back with Brahim doing more upholstery, changing over the wood panelling inside, using this colour to match the wood. Literally within 5 minutes he had all the material cut to size and was setting about stapling it all down. Didn't take him long at all. This piece was for the inside of the boot. I was happy with how this came out, so I decided to get another piece cut and sorted. I literally paid this guy €4 to make me a new piece using my old one as a template.
So we've got this changed over yesterday. Piece of wood here, and I'm just going to do the same here. But the only question I'm now having is about how that goes with the blue, because that's effectively the colour that I want to paint the van. So I've got a bit of a dilemma, a little bit really, with it's just colouring as well, and also with the seats. Obviously I've done this upholstered here and the dash, and then it's going to be, say, black and all these different colours, man. It's hard. Lovely day today again. I've been sitting there in the online for a bit with Wi-Fi, and I was thinking, why am I not outside enjoying the sunshine? It's been a mad couple of days. I bumped into someone the other day when I was running along the beach who I'd met in Indonesia in 2017. That for me blew my mind a bit. And then there's just been other things, you know, like synchronicities that have been happening that are just mad for me. Oh mate, how fucking mad is it how they just got chickens like that? It's been a really interesting couple of days with this bloke. He was just fast asleep in the bar we was in after a heavy night. Like, what? How you feeling, bro? Like, you feeling good?
All good.
What do you feel like doing? You on one tonight again? Eating, yeah? Yeah, my man's been making me crease today. I've been enjoying it. Like, you shouldn't drink, bro. That's what I'm telling you. You end up. He's done. He's stopped. Dry Jan. That's it. He's done. He's done.
Mate, I'm sticking my hand out. I'm trying to help these girls get a taxi. And the security guy that comes along gives me a massive high five, and I wasn't expecting it. I looked at him like, what the fuck? But yeah, I just pointed them in the right direction instead of waving for one hit. Because they're not going to stop.
Love the randomness of your just everything, yeah. So anyway, I'm changing this one over. Obviously I've already done this one, as you can see. It's not perfect, it's better. But yeah, gonna change that over. If you haven't already signed this wall, yeah, and you know, you're a bit artistic, then please sign it, because I want to get more signatures on there. People that I've people that I've met, etc. Yeah, man, got a nice addition there. Need to glue it back a little bit more. But yeah, guys, that's the wall of artistry. But yeah, this is what I'm working on today. This. So I'm in this gaff. It's just basically wood. Mate, he's searching for a bit of wood for me. Never seen anything like it. This is literally like Hall of Central. It can't move in the room. The whole thing's just full up with wood. But you know, it's what you need. Trying to get a discounted, cheap option. After clambering over all the wood for half an hour, I managed to find a piece that we thought we could use. All in for 50 dirham, €5. Mate, he said he'd cut it to size. Four guys cutting this piece of wood, but they're getting the job done. That's all I'm worried about. We managed to get the wood piece cut. I ended up basically recutting it because the lines were so all over the place. So I ended up using my grinder to just tidy it up a bit. So now we're going to go get it upholstered by the guy, same colour. So yeah, man, productive day, getting stuff done. Brahim's doing the business once again. with Brahim.
Exactly, my friend.
We do really good work here.
Okay.
Zef.
Good working, Ibrahim. Good working. Good.
Come in here.
And price good. And price.
Very good price.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Shukran, Zef.
Shukran, my friend. Thank you, Englishman. Englishman.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Quite pleased with the general direction in which things are moving. Training now nearly every day, which is great, running and doing yoga. And I've noticed a huge difference in Maya as she becomes more comfortable being here in Morocco. Been a pretty productive 2025 so far. We've had the engine and gearbox rebuilt, done the upholstery on the passenger seat, driver's seat to do, and then various other work's done with woodwork and upholstery. So we're getting there. There's loads to be done. Of course, I wanna paint the van. That's going to be quite a big job. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed watching what I've been up to in the last few weeks. Stay in tune with the journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you keep up to date with everything and all the other stuff. Like the video and whatever else. Yeah, really appreciate all the support though. Day to day. Keep up to date. Much love. There are of course various options as to what to do next. Been considering moving further south towards Tisnit, and of course making a start on the paintwork is another option. Going with the flow as always is the important thing. Thanks again for watching.